Dumbo Dollar NFT project. Exclusive Across NFT drop March 1st. You can also check it out their collection page right here. Dumbo Dollar NFT is built to fund and support the Dumbo Elephant Sanctuary in Sierra Leone. 1,109 km wildlife and forest preserve in Sierra Leone. Our goal is to get it to grow it even more with the help of our Dumbos. Here you can check it out. Join our free Dumbo Dollar airdrop. Be one of the first to have Dumbo Dollar. You can also get free Dumbo Dollars right here. The Dumbo Hiking Trail. Here's the path we are taking to make the biggest impact at our sanctuary in Sierra Leone. First, we have launched Dumbo Dollar Coin. The Dumbo Dollars coin will play a key role in the launch of our NFTs and growth of our community. Did we mention the free airdrop coming soon? Marketing and social media. Every dollar we have will be dedicated towards taking Dumbo to the next level. Join the Dumbo community. Free Dumbo Dollar airdrop. Now that our community is thriving, it's time to claim your free Dumbo Dollar. Your whitelist is part of our exclusive Across NFT collection. Exclusive Across NFT mint. If you claimed your Dumbo Dollar airdrop, that means you will be eligible for the exclusive Across NFT mint. Stay tuned for more details. Dumbo Elephant NFT Mint. Time for the main event. The Dumbo Elephant NFT Mint will be open to the public, not just token holders. Save the Elephant. Proceed from both the exclusive Across and Dumbo Elephants will be sent straight to Sierra Leone to help save our friends the elephants. Free Dumbo Dollars. You can also check it out their true NFT collections right here. This is an amazing platform. Check out our partner Sanctuary in Sierra Leone. Here you can check it out some details. First we have main entrance. The sanctuary is backed by an amazing team that work directly with the park management. The Minister of the Environment, the Minister of Tourism, and the Chairman of the EPA to assist with implementing sustainable practices that support environmental health and ecosystem integrity, ensuring that our sanctuary remains a thriving habitat for both wildlife and the local community. Next, we have the landscape map. The national park has roughly 1100 km of land. Our goal is to get it increase its land as much as possible. There is no limit to how far this can go. Next, we have their animal map. There is a lot more than just elephants here, but we need to stay focused on saving one race of animal at a time. Dumbo hippos could be next. Protected site. Of course, the agriculture play a key role in the daily lives of the animal here. What better way to raise funding for them than our exclusive Across collection? Join our free Dumbo Dollars airdrop, participate in a free airdrop and gain exclusive reward. You simply write your email, then write your sole amount, confirm that you are not a robot and then submit. This is an amazing platform. Here you can see the social platform like their Telegram community, their Twitter account and their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and comments right here. This is an amazing platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. I hope you like the video. So if you are looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Dumbo Dollar NFT project with its strong fundamental, unique feature and high growth potential. It's positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.